I'm doing a bike check. Eastern Warhammer frame, stock Eastern or nitrous forks, nitrous OG bars. I got them off Dance Comp. They're real cheap, but I need some new bars. ODI long neck grips and ODI bar ends. I don't like flanges, so I cut them off. Odyssey slick cable, Tektro brake lever, all hacked apart from falling. Koi flyer tire, Eastern. I'm not sure about my pegs. Got them from my friend who's filming. Stock wheels. Nitrous combo seat. Unsealed bottom bracket. I don't really care. As long as it's tight. Nitrous thruster cranks. Shadow Ravager PC pedals. Let me turn this around so you can see my sprocket. Nitrous sprocket, KMC chain, 25 teeth, 25/9 drive. This here, my brake system, is stock. It's Tektro. Stock back wheel, same tire as up front, the same peg as up front. Nitrous seat clamp, and a nitrous trap stem. That's pretty much it. Me and Greg will have some edits out at some point. But yeah, see ya.